Welcome to the world of Airbnb rentals. Here at Freedom Funds, we understand the value of creating passive income streams, and renting out your property on Airbnb can be a lucrative and flexible way to do just that. Join us as we explore the ins and outs of listing your property on Airbnb, from maximizing your earnings to providing a fantastic guest experience. In this video, we'll be covering all the key aspects of listing your property on Airbnb, from preparing it for sale to closing the deal and maximizing your profits. So why should you consider listing your property on Airbnb? Well, first and foremost, it's a great way to earn extra income. Whether you have a spare room in your house or a whole property that's not being used, you can rent it out to travelers and earn a steady stream of income. Plus, with Airbnb, you have complete control over your property, who stays there, and when. The first step in listing your property on Airbnb is preparing it for sale. This means making sure it's clean, comfortable, and appealing to potential buyers. Consider investing in minor renovations or upgrades such as new furniture, fresh paint, or updated appliances. This will help increase the value of your property and make it more attractive to potential buyers. Before you list your property on Airbnb, it's important to familiarize yourself with the company's official guidelines. This includes rules around property type, safety, and guest experience. Review these guidelines carefully and make sure your property meets all the requirements before you list it. Once your property is prepared for sale, it's time to create your listing. To maximize your chances of success, follow these tips for creating high-converting listings. Use high-quality photos that showcase your property in its best light. Write a clear and concise description of your property, highlighting its key features and selling points. Set a competitive price that's in line with similar properties in your area. Setting the right price for your property is key to its success on Airbnb. Consider the local market and what similar properties in your area are charging, and set your prices accordingly. You can also use Airbnb's pricing tools to help determine the best rate for your property. Airbnb's pricing tools are features that help property owners set the most appropriate price for their listings. These tools take into account factors such as demand, local market trends, and competition to provide a suggested rate for the property. Dynamic pricing also allows the owner to set a base price and then adjust it up or down based on demand, while smart pricing uses algorithms to determine the optimal price based on real-time data. By using these tools, property owners can optimize their pricing strategy, increase bookings, and ultimately maximize their profit. Once your listing is live, it's time to start marketing your property to potential buyers. You can do this by promoting your listing on social media, reaching out to past guests for reviews, and taking advantage of Airbnb's promotional tools. When you receive an inquiry or a booking request, it's important to respond quickly and professionally. Make sure you understand the details of the booking, include the dates, number of guests, and any special requests. Be prepared to negotiate on price if necessary, and always follow Airbnb's guidelines for communicating with guests. Once you received a booking request, it's time to close a sale. This means accepting the booking, sending the guest a confirmation, and preparing for their arrival. Make sure you have all the necessary information such as arrival and departure times, and any special requests so you can provide a smooth and enjoyable experience for your guests. To ensure the long-term success of your Airbnb property, it's important to invest in regular maintenance and management. This includes things like cleaning, repairs, and updates. Once you've made a sale, it's important to maintain the property in order to continue attracting guests. This includes making sure the property is clean, well-maintained, and fully equipped. It's also important to be responsive to guest inquiries and requests. A property that is well-maintained and provides good customer service will result in positive reviews, which can attract more guests. By following the tips and strategies outlined in this video, you can maximize your profits when selling an Airbnb property. This includes setting the right price, creating a high-converting listing, and marketing your property effectively to potential buyers. It's also important to manage the property well in order to maintain its value and attract repeat guests. By following these best practices, you can ensure a successful Airbnb property sale and maximize your profits. In conclusion, selling an Airbnb property can be a lucrative investment opportunity. By following the tips and strategies outlined in this video, you can prepare your property for sale, create a high-converting listing, and market your property effectively to potential buyers. It's also important to maintain and manage the property well in order to maximize your profits. We hope this video has provided you with valuable information and inspiration for selling your own Airbnb property. Please like and subscribe and follow for more content related to investment strategies and making money on the side.